Hello, Mathos. Welcome to One My Maths. Today we are going to learn the counting figure part 2. Here we have to find the number of triangles in a given figure. So first of all, for this, how many triangles are there that we are going to find? So here already we knew in the previous class we have learned that if the figure is like this, so if the triangle is divided into two parts, so 1 2 and the larger one 3 triangles are there, so this is 3, you have to remember. So by using this here, so this is one part and this is second part, this is third part. So total 3 3s are, so 3 into 3, that is equals to 9 triangles are there. And inner one, so this is 1, and external triangle, so the outer triangle is 1, so total 11. So how many triangles are there in the picture? So 11 triangles are there. So this is the easy way to find. So 1 2 3 3 3s are 9 and 10 plus 1 11, so total 11 triangles are there. And this is the first problem. Now coming to the second problem. So here if we have given figure like this, so in this also it is easy to find the number of triangles. So we know that, so this picture, so you have to remember I is 3 and 3 3s are 9. Yes, 1 2 3, so 3 3s are 9. And so inner this one plus 1 and outer external triangle is 1. And now observe in the inner one, so again 3 plus 1, so total 4 triangles are there. So here 9 plus 2 11 plus 4 15 triangles. So in the given picture there are 15 triangles are there. So this is one model. And now in this model, so observe here again, so here you have learned that one triangle is divided into two parts, means that is consisting of 3 triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18 triangles are there. So this is 18. And now, so these are 3 3 3 6 6 3s are 18 again. So this is one triangle and this is one triangle. Now the external one is one triangle. So total 18 plus 3, so total 21 triangles are there in the given figure. So this is another model. Next, coming to this picture. So already in the previous class we have learned that one box, if the diagonals is given, so diagonals are given, we know that, so that picture reminds you it is consisting of, so 8 triangles, so that is 8. So like that we have 3 boxes are there, means so 3 boxes consisting the diagonals, so 8 3s are 24. Now, so only the upper part is there, so only 2 boxes are there like this. Now how any possibility is there? So 1. So by observing these vertices, one triangle and these vertices consisting 1, so total 2 triangles. So this is with these 2 pictures. And again, so here also with these 2, so this is 1 and this is 1, so here also 2 triangles possibility is there. Now, so here observe So with 3 boxes there is any possibility, so like this. So this vertex and this vertex, so these 3 vertices gives you another one. So total 24, 26, 28, 29. So total 29 triangles are there if the given figure is like this. So we can easily find. So this is 29. And next one, if we have given the picture or the figure like this, here observe. So here this symbol gives you, so you have to remember, so that is 8. So 8 into like these 4 pictures are there, so 32 triangles are there in the single. So 1 2 3 4, so 8 4 ja 32. After that, now observe, take 2. So yes, if these 2 are not there and only 2 boxes are there, so 1 2 3 with this, so we can 2 again. Yes, so this is one triangle and this is also one triangle, so means this is also 2. With these 2 boxes also you will get 2, so with these vertices and these vertices 2. Now check with 3 triangles, means the 3 boxes if there is any possibility is there. So first of all, so yes, with these 3 boxes, one possibility is there, and with these 3 boxes, yes, here also one possibility is there, so total 2. Now so take all the 4, so if there is any possibility is there, so yes, these with these 2 vertices, so if we draw like this, so this is one possibility. So with 4 boxes we can get one triangle, so this is 1. So total we can get 41 triangles in the given picture. So this is the method to find the number of triangles in the given picture. For the next one, so here observe, if we have given like this, so here first of all I am assuming vertices as A, B, C, D, E. So with this it is very time taking process to find. So for this I will explain a trick. So first of all, with the general method you have to find how many triangles are there. So just I am writing the triangles. So with the first one, triangle ACD, yes, 1. ACE, triangle ACE. Next triangle ABD, so triangle ABD. So next, so I am writing OBC triangle and ODE. Next COD. So here, so we got like this, total 6. So if there is any possibility is there, now check. So here BCD, so we didn't write BCD, so now I am writing. So observe BCD, so with these 3 vertices also one triangle is there, and CDE, BCD, so one possibility, and CDE, so now count, total 8 triangles are there. So this is the general method. But if we have given large number of lines, so for this, so just taking any two lines. So this is 1, 2 are except to this line, and these either these two or these two take. So here, so number of lines are 2, so that's why, so 2 lines are there. That's why simply by writing 2 cube, so 8. So 2 lines, 2 cubes, so you will get 8 triangles. So this is the easiest way to find the number of triangles. In the next model, now here in this picture, so first observe, so here we have just one triangle is there, so it is easy. Yes, everyone will say that only one, so this is 1. Now for this second picture or second figure, so 1, 2, 3 steps are there. So 3 steps means, so here 1, for the figure 1, 2, 3, so total, so you will get 9, and that is 1, 10, and external 1, 10 plus 1, 11. So this is 11. Again observe here, so here, yes, with this vertex, so these vertices 1 and these vertices 1 triangle. So total 13 triangles are possible with the 3 steps. So this is 1, so here, so 3 steps. So for this we have a trick, just use this formula 1 by 8 into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1 minus 1. So this is the formula you have to use if this type of figures are given, if the n is odd. So 1 step, 3 step, 5 steps like that if you have there, so use this formula. So 3 steps are there, n is odd, that's why we are using this 1 by 8 into 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 into 3 plus 1 minus 1. So 1 by 8 into 3 plus 2 5, 3 is 15, 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7, to 7 minus 1. So 105 minus 1. So 1 by 8 into 15 7 105 minus 1, 104 by 8. So 8 1 8 13. So you are getting 13 triangles. So this is the easiest way to find the number of triangles if n is odd number. So n is odd. So in this again, if we are given n is equals to even number, so in the first figure, so 1 2 steps are there. So here 1 2 3 4 steps are there. So n is 4, n is 2, so it is even numbers. So here also just for this, so n is equals to 2, so means it is easy to find the number of triangles 1 2 3 4 plus the external one. So total 5 triangles are there. So it is easy, but when we have given like this n is equals to 4 6 8 like that, so there is a formula 1 by 8 into n plus 2 into 2n plus 1. So this is the formula. Now substitute. So 2 into 2 plus 2 4, 4 5, 4 into 5 into 2 40 by 8, so is equals to 5. So it is satisfying. So here for 4 1 by 8 into 4 plus 2 into 2 into 4 plus 1. So 1 by 8, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja, 1 by 2 into 6 into 8 plus 1 9, so 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, so 3 9 ja 27. So total 27 triangles are there if we have given like this picture with 4 steps. So 27 triangles are there. So this is the way to find. So this is the way to finding for even numbers. So this is the counting figures part 2. So thank you for watching.